Before you fold, start by locking the brakes. Push both brake pedals down to keep the stroller steady. If you have an infant car seat installed, remove it before folding. You should never fold the stroller with a car seat in the front or rear position. Then close both canopies and rotate the front canopy forward. To fold, press the buttons on both sides of the handle at the same time, then pull the folding latch upward. The frame will begin to collapse. Push the handle down the rest of the way. The storage latch will engage automatically, and the stroller will rest on its rear wheels and handle. If you want a more compact fold, remove the elevated rear seat first. To unfold, open the stroller lock and lift the handle up until the frame pops open. Make sure you feel and hear it snap fully into place before moving on. Reattach the seat or infant car seat and you're ready to stroll.